Alright, so with this right triangle, if I know these two side lengths, I should be able to figure out what that hypotenuse is. So again, using this formula, let's see what we can do. So I have 80 squared plus 39 squared equals c squared. Again, the hypotenuse is called c. So if I do 80 squared, I get 6,400. 39 squared, I get 1521. So when I add those together, that gives me 7921 equals c squared. So if I want to find out what c is, I need to take the square root of 7921. And when we do that, we get 89. And again, in the right triangle, your hypotenuse, which only happens in the right triangle, is going to be opposite that right angle, and it's also going to be the largest side. Another one that we had from this section was determining if something is a right triangle. So again, mine were 30, 32, and 44. And notice it doesn't matter which one I call A or B, as long as C, that longest piece, is on the other side. So if this is true, then I have a right triangle. So we could check this out. 32 squared is 1,024. So it gives me 1,924. Is that equal to 44 squared? My calculator says that it equals 1936. Therefore, they're not equal to each other, and I do not have a right triangle. And the last one was dealing with the word problem, where you have a 50-foot tower is to be fastened by 4 guy wires attached to the top of the tower and to the ground at positions 30 feet from its base. So I have a tower, I have guy wires that are going from the top of the tower to some spike maybe 30 feet away. And again, I have 4 of these. This is just one part of the thing that's connecting the tower. Right, so my tower ends right there. But I have other guy wires that are coming off of it. But right now I just need to focus on one of them. Right, so let's get rid of all this. Now I'm just going to focus on this one triangle. Since I know it's a 50-foot tower, I should be able to figure out this length. And so to do that, we're going to use the Pythagorean theorem. So 30 squared plus 50 squared equals c squared. And again, c is what I'm looking for. So I have 900 plus 2,500. So c squared equals 3,400. And c equals the square root of 3,400. So I do that on my calculator, I get about 58.3. But again, I have 4 of these because there's 4 guy wires, so I'm going to take my approximately 58.3 and multiply it by 4, and I get 233.2. When I took that and multiplied it by 4, because again I have these 4 guy wires. So this is the last section, section 11, and please let me know if you have any questions.